Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everybody to me and my sister channel. Today we will be showing you how to fry cauliflower. So let's start. So first of all, we need to cut this beautiful cauliflower. Now after we are done, we cut these flowers, wash them, you see. So even the stem, I'm not going to get rid of it. Take them to the pot to be cooked. Okay, in the pot we have boiled water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and we are gonna cook the cauliflower only for a few minutes, like 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Remember not to overcook them. Yes, it's time to get them out. You can see they're still a little bit hard, so they shouldn't get very soft. Whoops. Now we're going to get ready to make the marinade for them. So we're going to add 1 egg, half a cup of milk, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, then I have 3 tablespoons flour and 1 tablespoon cornmeal. So this will be as dressing for the flowers before we fry them, and that will give it a golden color. Stir all together. Now that is very thick. We need to add a little bit more of milk. Oh, that's fine. One teaspoon curry powder, half teaspoon black pepper, and of course we will add chopped cilantro. That will make it tasty and also give you a nice color. A little bit more milk. Now we're gonna dip all the flowers inside this dressing to get them ready to be fried. So I'm gonna make sure all the pieces are covered. Now what is this? This is the stem. If you remember, I didn't throw it away. So I peeled it and I cut it little pieces. And then I'm gonna add some of the dressing to it. And I'm also gonna fry it. I'm sure the stem includes some important elements. Okay, now that's enough. Then I'm gonna put it aside and it will be ready to be fried. Finish all the flowers. Make sure they all are covered with the dressing. Yes, now everything is ready. So why did we do that? We don't want to have any mess while frying the flowers. So extra liquid is away. Now let's go to the frying pan. Bismillah. Gonna add these lovely flowers. Look at the color. It was a nice idea to add chopped cilantro to them. Ready to be turned to the other side. Look at the golden color. That's beautiful. Now they're ready to get out. That looks yummy. Look at that. these are tender in the inside, crispy in the outside. Now I'm gonna add the stem, remember? So I'm just gonna put it to be fried with the other pieces. And don't worry, it will come together. Yes. Oh, mashallah, look at that. Now we're done with frying all the pieces. That looks very yummy. Can't wait to eat them. And this is the stem, you see? We didn't throw it away. We used it. It came out perfect. Here's another piece. Wow. Let's try this one. Oh, that's yummy. Here's another one. Look at that. So we can have this dish with pickled tomatoes, and I will leave the link for you under this video. Also is an option to have them in a sandwich. If you like this video, thumbs up, share, subscribe, and see you next video, inshallah.